Hi, Leslie Calustian here with Set the Stage Interiors, and today we are in Naperville. As you can see behind me, this is the Carillon Tower, and it is a famous landmark near the Riverwalk and all the shops and restaurants. Behind me are some of my accessories, and today is picture day. So I am going to my client's home. He has an investment property and it's walkable distance to downtown Naperville. I have helped him choose all of the finishes in the home. I pretty much took most of the rooms down to the studs. So we helped him choose a brand new kitchen, and I took the cabinetry into the dining area for more storage and a serving, like a buffet area. Same cabinets into the laundry room and to the owner's ensuite. So I helped him choose everything from paint to lighting to cabinets, even the hardware on the cabinets, and the tile backsplash, tile shower, all the fixtures. So I hope you enjoy our tour today, because this is the final reveal. And if you know of anybody that's looking in the downtown Naperville area, I'm also a realtor and I can give you a tour. Let me know what your favorite parts of this home are and just comment below, and I hope you enjoy the tour. Thanks.